Hi there!
In today's video, we're going to be looking into the home screen of the app and maybe look into some of the changes that we've made from the beginning till now and try to explore the premise of why we made those changes. So let's get into it. This was the first attempt at the home screen. Here we have the chat button and all rest of the essentials in the bottom nav bar. This will be the page that tells you our pricing and lets you buy more credits. So we will be having a freemium model, so you can access all of that information and buy more credits through this page. This is your profile page that will show you your credits remaining, minutes that you've bought, and how many videos you've processed and such things. This right here is your home page, where when your reels are shared to Trott will be populated like this, and you can search those reels from here. You can hit search and search by name, by description, or by describing the kind of vibe or place you're going for. So that's that. For the home page, we later decided to change things, but let me just show you the page where you share a reel. So the moment you share a reel and you open the app, you see a small toast message which says that the reel is added successfully to the queue. And then here in the progress bar, a task is added and it shows that X number of reels are being processed and are in progress. So that's about it. Then we decided to go with the search button placed here, because of course search is going to be a primary action in this user journey, because apart from looking at the reels from here populated on the home screen, people will like to search for them. And so we realized that search needs to go top right, where it's more visible and accessible to people. So the newer layout looked something like this. So we also modified the navbar and we placed the search top right. So I think we're heading in a good direction, but do let us know what you think about this. Bye bye.
See you later. Take care!